Welcome to Retro Scale Modelling. For my next build, I'm building this Trumpeter DRB class 52 locomotive scale 1 to 35. Now, the German name for this train, I can't pronounce, hence why I've just named it its actual technical name. The box as well is too large to fit on my bench. This is why I've got a picture up of it as well, just so that I can get it all in. So this is just a short video of the kit and the introduction, what's inside the box. So I've already taken everything out of the box, so I'll just quickly go through the instructions. There's quite a lot of things going on in the kit, as you can see there. The main sachet, then the actual unit itself. It also has a back part to the unit here for the coal and so forth, and of course it comes with its own base and track as well. Also, it does have a nice coloured sheet for paint markings. The grey and yellow sash, I quite like that one. I was toying with the idea to do that one, but I really like the red base, so I'm just going to go with the black, I think. There are 16 main sprues with a couple of little shoot-off sprues as such as well. As you can see, I'm just quickly having a look at these. So we've got the wheels there, and the parts are for the wheelbase. So a lot of it is on the actual sachet of it. These are the tracks for the base itself, which are really nicely moulded. So as you can imagine, there's quite a few of this. It's a 135 scale, but it is quite large. That's the side of the main sachet, and this is obviously for the main unit. And so you can get a good idea of the scale. Now this is for the coal area of the train. You can see there, so I'll have to figure out a good way to paint that. Of course, and the main body. There's a couple of extra protective boxes inside, and this is for the main base, so you can see where the ballast is, how the ballast is, and so forth. Ideally, I would have liked to have done a base with my own ballast, but if you don't have any of that to hand, well, this is a good idea. The other box here, if I can just open it, is the clear parts. There's not many clear parts, just a few windows, a very small photo etch sheet there, and then of course the decals. Now the decals won't really show up on the camera because they're white, so it'll be a bit difficult to show you them at this stage. They've also been a steam trim. They have a lot of pipes and things like this. I like how they've packaged these pipes here. It's on its own little sprue, but they've put an added piece of backing card to it to protect them, and I think that's a really good idea. There's no chance of them breaking or snapping, and they look to be like a soft sort of plastic rubbery sort of thing. So I'll go and get all this primed, and then I'll come back and start the build. So if you haven't done so already, why don't you check out the channel for the rest of my builds? If you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll be kept up to date with all my builds, including the ongoing one of the Millennium Falcon. Remember to hit that like button, leave a comment, and of course don't forget to share the video. But for now, thank you all very much for watching. Bye bye.